Hello everyone, it's me Bryson P and I'm here with my K7X STI. We've got our second autocross coming up tomorrow. It's the second one that we have ever done. We did our first one just a few months ago. Did fairly well for our first time. We didn't realize that the one we went to was a much bigger event than normal as far as the way that they typically are. Much shorter courses, less technical, and we just had no idea. So we kind of went out and did like a Super Bowl event for our first time ever. So hopefully we do a whole lot better tomorrow. I've got my best friend here with his black 370. We're getting our cars ready and prepped for tomorrow so that way we can go autocross racing. And I'm going to take off my stickers here first because I just don't like them anymore, and I feel like having everything blue on its own, that would be just a lot better. We'll see how that goes for a while, and then who knows, I may even change those out and put some different fog light covers in, who knows. These fog light covers, I got them from JD Muscle. They are just the color matched fog light blanks, and then the actual stickers themselves, they're supposed to be, I believe, from Evergreen Kings is who prints them, but they're supposed to be the 2004 spec STI stickers. So I do like them, but what really happened is this one's on straight and the other one was just a little bit crooked, and I could only take it for so long. So after about 8-9 months of having these, it's time for them to go. And I think it'll actually look better since I don't have any badging at all on the front, and not having any badging or anything on the front, and then just those. I think having all of it just being the nice blue K7X will be really, really nice. All these are off. We've got all the stickers done. So now we can get her washed, catch up to our boy Matt here.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart and go heal them.
We've had to remove our floor mats. I've got the weather tags. I love them, but you can see that they get a little bit of dirt and stuff up in that corner, and I've never had weather techs before, and they are fantastic. Love this car. Love it, love it, love it. From the way it looks, having no stickers at all on the front like that looks pretty dang good. I think it looks really nice. It adds more to those two lines that come in right here. It just adds more to that sharpness going into the front with that grille that's all debadged and everything else. What I'm thinking is I could just bring this, because it's gonna have every socket in it. It's gonna have everything we could possibly need, wrenches, sockets, and all that. And then possibly this, because it just has the batteries and all the tools. You know what I'm saying? Like if I just bring this one and the tire inflator, I think that's all we could possibly need. You think this, because it's all the impact, take this, this, and that, just take those three, the tire inflator and the jack.
That, and you know, you never know, it might give you a chance to do a good deed.
Mm-hmm. This is why I love my car though, for real, is because the size of the trunk. Dude, this trunk is way bigger than I realized it is. Look. It's stupid, it's stupid. I can easily fit.
Bam. You gonna keep your spare in the car?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep my spare in there. You think we should take it out at the race?
Your spare weighs quite a bit. If it weighs enough to make a difference, I doubt it, but I also don't know.
I mean, it wouldn't be hard to take it out. It wouldn't take a minute to take it out and just set it underneath the canopy wherever we're at.
It's up to you.
I mean, it's another 40 pounds out of the rear.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Unsprung weight.
Yep.
You know, that's a big deal.
Not even gonna worry about mine.
No, you got that nice inky.
It weighs 10 pounds.
Alright, good morning everyone. We've got everything ready to go. We're about to leave. Just going to top off with a little bit of brake fluid. We're going to end up changing our brakes here real soon, so it's just some basic .3. We'll end up upgrading to the stainless steel brake lines. We'll upgrade our brake rotors, brake pads, and probably flush out everything and change to .4, extreme temperature, pressure, and everything else. So we're going to top this off. We're going to go get some food real quick, and then we're going to head to the track. We'll see you shortly.
Welcome everybody. The concession stand will be open. I'm just doing multiple jobs. So if you see a meal here or the tractor and the door open, I'll be here. So if y'all need anything, I'll be back and forth. So enjoy the day. And like I said, the concession stand will be open. Pizza, hot dogs, cheeseburgers, hamburgers.
So we are here, walking the track, getting ready for the day. Figuring out how this is going to lay out. We've got quite a few cars, quite a bit of cars. It's actually another Subaru. There's a couple Subarus, a couple BRZs. There's another WRX. I didn't get a chance yet to see if it's a true STI or not. But it's going to be a fun day. Definitely some good competition, it looks like. And got a spider web on my face. So stay tuned. It's going to be fun, man. It's going to be a lot of fun today.
We're going to run in groups. So you'll notice we have each lane is a group. We have 4 groups today at the moment, and we are going to be running each group, so 1 through 6, and you are going to be running with that group 4 laps. So you're going to run down there, run through. When you finish the first lap, you're going to loop right back around and come down towards that tent and get staged in line for the next. You're going to do that 4 times. After your 4th lap, you'll get back in line, and it'll be the next group that they'll come up.
Unfortunately, many families stuck inside.
So we've ran 3 runs. We run 4 laps on each run. So I've got 12 laps in me already, and then we're gonna run 4 more. That'll make it 16. And then we might get a couple fun runs after that, but we're running 16 official runs. So far my fastest time today has been a 31.3, right on the dot, 31.3. So I'm gonna try and get into the 30s and see what happens. Try and break off that 0.3. Everyone else is running 32 32, 33, 34. We've got a couple 29s. We got a bunch of 30s. I've seen a couple 28s too. So we'll see what happens. Thank you for doing the times and everything that you do, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
Without you guys, it's tough. I like having this extra monitor when we can get it to cooperate.
The blue?
The very last run, we got a 31.114. Right there on the very last, we were trying to break into the 30s, and we got a 31.114.
31.114.
Yep. Alright guys, we are about to do a chase. These are for fun runs, they don't count for anything. But my best friend and I, we're going to do a chase and see what happens. So as soon as he goes, get to where he's at and then go.
Yep.
All right.
As soon, I'm gonna make sure both y'all ready. As soon as he takes off, the instant you see him move, we try to get to his position as close to a complete stop as you can, and then take off as quick as you can. And that usually gives about a 3 second.
All right.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool. I'm gonna feel like it's gonna be a bad day. I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams. We all want things.
All right, guys, we are finished with the autocross event. Everybody's pretty much wrapped up and gone. There's just a few people left. It's been an awesome day out here. We've had a lot of fun. Got a lot of good footage. Cars are running good. Nobody blew up. Nobody had any oil leaks or coolant leaks. None of the other drivers. Everybody's car ran great today. So we should be good, man. Everything is great. The girls loved it. I let my kids ride. They got to do their first autocross experience as passengers, so they loved it and had a great time. A little sunburned. Definitely ran the car pretty hard today. But all in all, it's been a great day. Thank y'all for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. It's me, Bryson P, here with my friend Matt. We got the K7X STI and the black 370. We'll see you on the next video.